3 useful Mac tips in your MacBook. To do this, the first one is to check the network quality. If you want to check very quickly, then first of all open the terminal and simply type %network quality. Then it will show you your network quality. The other thing is, if you remember or forget the previous website, then simply clicking on the Shift Command T, the previous website you opened will be opened automatically. The third and the last one is, if you have multiple tabs on your Safari and then you want to merge them all, then simply click on the windows on the top and then select merge all windows. In this way you can merge all of the windows in one. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.